down. Wave.
Hello. Is he gonna wave to them? Say good morning.
Minivan.
How are you guys doing this morning?
Minivan coming. Fine.
Fine.
To the
We'll tell them in a minute.
beach.
Won't tell them yet. Look at you, Emily. You've got enough going on. So this morning we're doing pancakes with the fruit. Daniel. Croissants. Some fresh orange juice. Oh.
Can't even forget cream because it's right in front of you, isn't it?
And once again, we've got another beautiful clear blue sky day.
We've got another treat today. Yay!
And what did you two do last night that was so good?
Slapping each other.
But what did you do, Dan, to Emily that was probably not the best thing to do?
What
happened?
So I pushed my duvet down and I was trying to get it onto me and I accidentally just standed up and pulled Emily's.
Good morning! Well, good afternoon.
Hiya.
Hiya. We've just done, oh, it's so bright. We've just done an emergency pit stop to get drinks, and the petrol station we were at had a Greggs. So Rick and the kids are enjoying a pasty, and I have got my heart set on going into the main place across the way. I will show you now. To go and get a coffee fix. Oh, go and get a coffee fix.
We'll see if
now this guy, Rory.
Rory.
Tell about Rory in a minute. This guy has thwarted my plans. The bin lorry has parked across the drive-through entrance, and I want us. Oh, he's going! Bye! Yay, Starbucks! This mum is in need. I'm actually fancying a frappuccino. It's 12 and it is, what is it, 26 degrees.
What's hot coffee?
What's a hot coffee?
I want one.
Glad to see that.
What question is that?
Oh yeah, I get it now. It's hot and it's coffee because coffee is hot.
So we're just about, oh, there's a post there, Dan, about to go into Poundland to get some buckets and spades, which is a bit of a clue for where we're going today. Where are we going to go today, guys?
The beach. The beach.
So we're going to go and look and get some buckets and spades and bits to take on with us and have a mooch inside. There's some bits I need to pick up for school. What was it I wanted to get? Can't remember. There's some bits I want to pick up for school, and then they're going to get what they need. Gosh, that sounds wrong. I need some, like, police toy things. We're not going in that one. Wrong shop, guys. And we'll go and see what we can find. Oh, look, Dan. Get that to make fossils on the beach. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look, you create your dinosaur-shaped fossils.
Of them.
Come on, let's go and have a mooch. I'm still trying to get Rick's confidence up vlogging out in public. How are you feeling, Rick? On this vlog?
That's fine.
Oh, so after finding buckets and spades, show which ones could we find? The world's smallest buckets and spades they have. Poundland's one of those places where you really can just like have a really good nosy. Really good nosy. I must have burnt my head yesterday, you know, and I scratched there then. That hurt. Let's have a look and see what else we can find. This way, guys, a second. Where's Daddy going? Daddy. Oh, Emily, look at this top. Emily, since when did Poundland do clothes? Little. Oh, look at that one, Em. Look, cute top. Oh my God, no. That is horrendous. It says, look at my back. What's on the back of it? Don't put it down. Put it down. This is so cute. Like for Emily, just a little t-shirt Little reversible sequins, My Little Pony one, and it's £4. That is so sweet. I didn't know. I wouldn't say Poundland's a place that I would have ever thought of looking at clothes. I don't know if it's... Some of them are really cute, these little pineapple dresses. That little top's cute. A little sparkly pineapple on it. What have you seen now? A Barbie styling head. What is he going to do with that?
And I want it
Because... Why do you want it? Emily, Mummy's looking at these for you. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Born to be a unicorn. It's up to you. I don't know how they'd be on. This t-shirt is really cute. £1.50. It was like Primark prices. This one's really sweet. These dungarees. Cute. Where have you gone?
Can we have dino poo?
What have you found now? What is it?
Dinosaur
poo.
Yeah.
It's stick. Oh. Nothing, I love it.
Dino poo.
Rick, some look at the little kids stuff, the t-shirts and that are so cute. Really cute. Like this little one here. Pep and Co. Yeah, I didn't know they did. Stuff in here. Lovely. So after driving round Lytham, what's it taken us, Rick? Probably about an hour. It is packed, it's 26 degrees, so everyone on school holidays has had the same idea. We've managed to find a parking space on one of the roads, which means we're now walking cross country to go up the dunes to the other side. And the planes that are just going across, I don't know if there's an air show on or something, but we will Google that once we get onto the beach so we can see what's going on. But Dan, with his love of planes, was convinced they were like US Army planes.
Yeah.
Not. It's got the RAF symbol on it, little man, which is the Royal Air Force, British Royal Air Force. That view! We're coming! So they're in the absolute element of building sandcastles. Can't get over this weather. It is beautiful. I wasn't stuck. We were climbing down the dunes to come down, and the sand was so hot. And I'm not joking, guys. Honestly, it's burned. My soles of my feet are bright red.
Two sandcastles.
That is so cool, Dan. The soles of my feet are bright red on the sand coming down. So I burnt the soles of my feet, and when I was like, because it was just so hot, because I took my sandals off. I thought the best idea, take your sandals off and no, you kept your trainers on, didn't you, which was better. Oh, you've got them off now. So as soon as we got onto the wet sand, my feet were loving cooling them down. But stop, pause and comment down below how you guys are. If it's your half term, what are you up to this half term? We hope you're having as much... Comment down below if you like it, write it down.
Comment down below whose is the best right now.
Oh, you want to do a sandcastle competition? That's a good idea.
Yes, I do two ones.
Dan, what do you want everyone to do then?
Comment down below if you like it, write it now.
Oh!
You're not ever...
Oh, Emily, say hi! Don't be scared, it's only little. It's a puppy. Daniel. Oh.
That dog is so cute.
So what do you want to do, Dan? Are we going to have a sandcastle competition, you and me? Emily, are you going to join in the sandcastle competition?
Yeah.
And then we'll let everyone comment and see which one they think's the best. Okay?
Yeah.
It's on now, boy.
You're
Mum.
not today.
You're not at school, little man. But why did someone do something the other day at school?
No.
You fibbing me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I love your shorts, Dan. Very tropical.
Mummy. Tushango, mango. And then tushango, mango, tango. Is that a good song?
Yeah.
I made that one up.
Let's go down to the water. Bye, Rick.
We're going to the water. Oh, Mum, you might want to be a little conscious with this one here because it's pretty.
It's mud, it's sand. It's going to be cold, Emily. That water's going to be really cold.
Are you ready?
Hours you can spend collecting shells. So Rick's finally come back. He's realised he's now passed out. I think he's probably having a sleep.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
We're gonna walk out to go to the sea and have a little splash. I think we're gonna go out for some We're gonna go out for some tea. We're gonna go out for some tea afterwards. I think there's a harvester nearby or a Toby Carvery or something, so I think we're gonna head for tea because we've not had any lunch today because we've not had anything since breakfast. So these guys, we've not actually been hungry. So Dan, wait for me. Dan, you missed this one. Quick, come here. Look at this one. How pretty that one is.
Oh yeah, that's
that one. Yeah, so we're just gonna go and have a splash. I can't wait to see their faces because I don't think Emily realises just how cold it's gonna be. What's up, Em? Which bit? You want to have a splash in this bit here? Yeah, you be careful. Feet stuck. Water's going to be really cold, little miss. No, the water's over here. We need to keep going. Oh, look here, Dan, there's a river bit here we can play in. It's going to feel very cold. Emily! Oh, Dan, look. Really nice shells. Dan, look how big that one is. Dan.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's so.
Oh, it does sink in. Emily! Pull me back. It sinks in. Oh my God, be careful because she's going to get stuck in that. It's like sinking mud. Really careful. This will be what? Watch it, Dan, you're near ahead. Little swimming pool. The be warmer than the sea this bit. Push together. Yeah. Go on. And I'm whispering because Daniel is having a little sleep. I'll show you. He's fallen asleep after being at the beach. So cute. Passed out asleep. You're having a chill in a minute. Well, you're going to clear up and then I'm going to do tea, aren't I? And then tea, and it's just a chill evening now, isn't it?
Britain's Got Talent.
Britain's Got Talent. Coronation Street.
Britain's Got Talent results.
Britain's Got Talent results. That's our line. Hey, comment down below if any of you have tried the halloumi, aren't they? The halloumi fries in Aldi. I just called in them, picked up some salad bits because we're having we're having a roast chicken salad, and I've got this to try. It looks so good. These hand topped focaccia breads. So nice, the red onion and cheese on them. So I'm going to pop those in. We're having salad, new potatoes. Put that in the bin. Well, I'll get you one now. Just hang on. Put it. Careful, the oven's on now, Emily.
How can you pop out?
Yeah, just 1 second. And so, yes, that's what we're having for tea. And we went. Oh, that was it. We called in to get the. I'll get them now. Called in to try the halloumi fries. Couldn't get them. Empty. What are you doing in there? Shut the freezer. I'll get one. And we couldn't get them. So comment down below if any of you have tried them, because we're really intrigued. So instead we've gone for some wedges that are garlic and onion wedges. So that is what we're going to do. Have some dinner and just chill out and just enjoy that breeze coming through the van. And I'm going to get changed in a minute and just put my hair up in a bun and just relax. So someone exceptionally gorgeous has just woken up, haven't you?
Yeah, from a 2-hour nap.
God, I'm actually looking quite burnt when I see it on the camera there.
I thought you were going to show your watch then, your invisible watch.
You had a really good sleep, didn't you, my darling?
Yeah.
So we hope you have enjoyed today. We're going to finish here because it is, well, hang on, it's 9:05. It's 9:05. We're going to end tonight's vlog. This one's only just woke up about 20 minutes ago, but we're going to end it here. We're going to watch Coronation Street and chill, aren't we? But thank you so much for...
Mum, do you know I like to watch Coronation Street?
You can watch it with us. But thank you so much, guys, for... Oh, hang on. I don't know if it's going to film. Sorry, guys, the battery went. But we're going to finish here, aren't we?
Yeah.
And stay tuned for this week because we have got surprises lined up. So we've got surprises. We've got a really exciting week lined up. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment down below. Are you going to say night, Emily? Say thanks for watching. Oh, here we go. Oh, camera gone funny. That's Emily giving a huge hug, and we want to give a huge hug, don't we all?
Yeah.
From here at the Higgins house. Thank you to everyone that is subscribing to our channel. It really means a lot. Drop your comments down below because we love to say hi to all. We love to speak to you all, and you will be in our shout outs at the end of each vlog when you've commented. And we need to give a quick reminder. we are, obviously, we're not nearing it, but for our 500 subscriber, we have got a massive giveaway. Considering it's just for 500 subscribers, we've got a really big giveaway coming your way. So don't forget to hit subscribe when you're watching our videos. Stay tuned because we are daily vlogging, and we'll see you all again tomorrow
Hooray!
at 5